Alright, the dumbass is back. Okay, I want to pick out a box full of small stuff. Okay, so this is 305 to 310, not sure. This is for a 74 Sportster FX front wheel. 74 to 77. And interruptions. It looks like that. Hello? Hello? Yo? Yeah, I'm out here working. Okay, bye. Jason might be on the way. Okay, so this is 300 thou thick, which is not what I thought it was going to be, but 299. And the other thick one we had was 232, 187. So we're going from 232, which is 0, to 29. It's going to be 68 thou, but it says 67 here, but my math is either off or the caliper's off slightly. Anyway, that's what gives you the quick numbers. Okay, so we're going to move it over that much, which will give me my rotor clearance. So what we're trying to do is gain rotor clearance on the backside back here. It was really tight on the bolt clearance. So when you have the spacer here and here, it's hard to do with only one hand. Do like that. You put your straight edge in here and you go across from screw to screw and see how the screws are basically hitting on the screw and the spacer's not hitting. So we need to come out further. So by putting this in there, dropping it at least once, like that, and you put your straight edge on there now. See, now you can see you got, so there's clearance to the screw head now, see? Not a lot, but there's clearance. Now that's about how much we had before, so I understand why we got the same thing after making the spacer thicker. That's the part I don't know what's going on, but we'll figure that out here soon. Alright, so I'm going to put the bracket on here. Now the bracket's been cut away right here, but it's the same height going across, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. But we're going to find out quick enough. And if I don't like it, I'm going to move it. If I do like it, I'm going to keep it. Okay. So, spacer goes in here. That. This little thing slips on in the hole. My extra hand with the wheel nut. Tap it over a little bit to hold it. It looks like we're just about where we started. That's what don't make sense. Need more space. Looks like that's how it was in there. Weird. Weird. So that's 5/16. The next spacer is another 16th more over. That'd be a 3/8 spacer. Okay, 3/8. spacers. Let's see what we got over here. This is 470, it's way too much. 460, 3/8, 3/8, and that's another thin one. This is another 470, 470. Okay, so I'm going to put a 3/8 in there. I'm going to make a big change here, because this doesn't look like it's enough, even though I did a massive change. Not sure what's going on here.
Thank you, Bobby.
Hello, who? Not interfering in my video, are you? Take that one out, put this one in. That one in. Somehow this one fell out. Again.
Yeah.
Check.
That's what it says in, yeah, okay.
Check. That's a change.
Right, so I know it's a terminology.
Spacer in here. A bit thicker.
No, I get that, but that's the reason why I got.
Okay.
Right.
Tap it in.
Right. No, I understand.
It's tight right there.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Threads are bad.
All right, man. I'll call you later. See you, bye. Thanks. Love it.
You interfere in my video.
What's up there, homie? We're back on that fucking weird thing again?
Hey, quit yelling at my video.
Oh, sorry. I apologize.
Bad enough you talk on the phone. I'm trying to video. You know it's my favorite bike today.
Oh, you took that off to do the lights.
Yes,
To
I
run
did.
The lights?
Yes. Yeah, but you don't watch the video because I haven't posted it yet. Okay.
And the brakes fixed, so that's good.
No, I'm fixing the brake right now.
No, remember the clanking we had last time?
The clanking noise. I don't know.
Because the spacers?
I already changed the spacers again.
He just contradicts me the whole time.
I just got done changing all the spacers. You just don't know it. Okay, now we have a big gap in there now. Okay, so now we have a gap between the bolt head. And we have a big gap over here where the bolt goes in for the caliper. So now I can put the bolt all the way through that thing to hold it in there nicely. Now the question is, are we too far out for the caliper to mount? That would be the next question. So now I'm going to put a caliper back up in here. See what we got. Well, we're not too deep, so that's a good sign. So now when I push the caliper in against the pads, against the rotor, you can see I got a gap right here between here of a little bit, see, so it's not touching. If I pull it out, see how big the gap is? So I need something between that thickness and that thickness. And that is too much. So I need something between that and the other one. So where's my grade 8 washers at today? That is not grade 8. Nope. 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 Okay, I'm running out of drawers. Should be down here somewhere. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Grade 8. That's what I'm looking for right there. That thickness right there, maybe. 3/8. These are about 65, 7 thou thick, probably. Put it right in there. Probably do the trick. Maybe. It might be a little thin. 66 thou thick. Ah! 68, 69. That'll pinch me. Yeah, blood blister right there. It's stuck in there. That's sharp when you squeeze like hell on your finger. And these big thick ones here were 122. They're half the thickness. Okay, so I'm going to try this one now. There's our bolt at. We got some bolts once. Bolts. Make sure the bolt's not too long. It is not too long.
1, 2, 3. I bet we're gonna do the same one again. Ready?
There's my other washer.
For $10. 1, 2, 3.
Quit playing grab ass out there.
$10.
$10. I ain't got them.
I was making bets with people on Instagram. Come on, $50. I'll do 25. I'm like, fine, do 25, fucker.
This man just mixed it in with all his money.
Jason,
Yes, sir.
you know all this shit's on video.
What?
Yeah, it picks up you talking out there. You gotta go on the street and play your card games.
What, the Dodgers beating the Padres?
I don't know what you're doing over there. You're on my video, I know that.
I won it fair and square.
If you did.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Guilty again. Okay, so now we tighten that down. So now, looks like we got a good gap in there. The wheel rotates smoothly, which is a good sign. The bolt now goes almost completely through the bracket, which it didn't do before. And everything looks centered up. And now we got the system in there correctly for the first time. Because I didn't like having all this stupid space underneath the bolt head. I hate having space under my brackets. Alright, there we go. And the next big thing is what's our clearance inside our fender up in here? Up in all that. You can see that gap right there. There's actually clearance in there. Can't get the camera in there to see though, but see right through here. There's clearance in there for our wire. Good clearance, a lot of clearance. And this side here also got even more, because the wheel's actually further this way on the bike than what the fender is. But the chain is straight, which is what I care about. I don't care about back and forth as long as the chain's straight. So you look at your sprocket. If the chain moves this way, it's not too far. Re-roll it again. If the chain comes this way, we're not too far that way. You see we're about equal on both. So even though the wheel is offset in the frame this way, the sprocket's center. The sprocket's more important than the wheel. Okay. And the brake, you take up the rest over here, which we did. Alright, so I'll take the parts and Loctite on there. I got to lock down our pinch bolt under here. And then we'll test out the brake, make sure it works. I'm sure it does. We should be golden. Alright, we'll be back.